Before filming, it's worth checking DJI official beginner tutorials for the latest features and updates. DJI Neo supports the palm takeoff and landing, intelligent shooting modes like follow, circle, rocket, spotlight, and can record up to 4K video. It does not have obstacle avoidance, so always fly in open areas. Hello everyone, welcome back to Test the World with Noel. If you are new here, my name is Noel. On this channel, we explore amazing places, delicious foods, travel experiences, and helpful travel tips. Today's video is perfect for beginners because I will show you how to use the DJI Neo drone to capture beautiful aerial videos and photos. Whether you have just bought your new DJI Neo or you are just planning to get one, this video will help you start creating incredible content. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Test the World with Noel, turn on notification bell so you'll never miss any of my travel adventures. Let's get started. Before flying, let's quickly look at what comes with the DJI Neo. You normally get the DJI Neo drone, the USB-C charging cable, the spare propellers, usual manual, intelligent battery, If you have purchased the Fly combo, you will also receive extra batteries and a charging hub, giving you more flight time. The DJI Neo is very small and lightweight, making it easy to carry anywhere. It's perfect for travel creators like me. Before taking off, make sure your battery is fully charged. Download the DJI Fly app and connect your drone. Always check the battery level, weather conditions, wind strengths, local drone regulations. Choose an open area without trees, buildings, or power lines. Remember, the DJI Neo does not have obstacle avoidance, so always keep your eyes on the drone. One of my favorite features is the palm takeoff. Simply place the drone on your palm, press the mode button. The DJI Neo recognizes your face and lifts off automatically. It's incredibly easy, even if you've never flown a drone before. If you are using the DJI Fly app or a remote controller, you can also launch directly from your phone or control. So let's talk about the amazing shots follow mode. This is perfect when you are walking through a market or exploring a city, hiking or testing food outdoors. The drone follows you automatically while keeping you centered in the frame. And the circle mode, the drone flies around you while recording. This creates cinematic travel shots that look professional. Then we have the third one, the rocket mode. The drone flies straight upwards while keeping the camera pointed at you. Perfect for revealing beautiful landscapes. And we have the fourth one. The fourth one is spotlight mode. The camera stays locked on you while you move around. Great for walking, talking, or introducing a location. Here are my best beginner tips. Fly during sunrise or sunset for beautiful natural lighting. Move slowly. Avoid sudden turns. Keep your subject in the center. Record in 4K whenever possible for the best quality. Plan your shots before taking off. Always leave enough battery power to land safely. Practice often because every flight makes you a better drone pilot. And that's how you can start shooting amazing videos with the DJI Neo. I hope this beginner's guide helps you become more confident with your drone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Test the World with Noel, share the video with any learning anyone learning to fly the DJI. Thank you so much.